Hello, this is a video on how I do my screen share videos using my YouTube channel. So if you look in the top right corner here, logged into YouTube under the account that you want to publish, you'll go to Creator Studio. Click on Creator Studio. And now we're in the Creator Studio. On the far left here, we're going to go to Live Streaming. Hit this drop down, we come to Events on Live Streaming. And then over on the top right, we have New Live Event. So we'll click on New Live Event. Right here you can choose between public, unlisted, and private. And if you're just doing this for the first time, there might be some kind of a 24-hour waiting period or something from when you requested. Test. Whoop. Excuse me. Test video. Okay, so title your video here, description here, and then when you're and I'm gonna, so public is it's gonna be out on YouTube for anyone to search and find. Unlisted means you could share the link with other people, and if they have the link, they can get to the video. Private means, this is a private video, no one else can see but you. So I'm going to do unlisted, because if I do public and I do go live now, then the people on my channel, well, here, we'll just do that. Public. Go live. And it'll pop up another window for us. We'll be okay. And there we go. That's the webcam. Up top here, you can turn off the camera. If you want to just have your avatar there, you can also mute the mic in case, something hits in the background. If you just want to do no video, no audio on that. Here is where you can switch between sharing your screen and not sharing your screen. So let's do a screen share. Whenever you're ready to go live, you just click on Start Broadcasting. There we go. We're sharing our screen and we're also live. Let's minimize this. So now you can just pop into Google. Let's say we were evaluating a search like SEO Expert Memphis, and then it's just, some things are just easier to show. So here's our drop the strap, and then looking at other rankings. We also have an SEO meetup group. What's up, Grant? But then you can just walk through a website, and a lot of times this is easier than typing out a super long email. But just yeah, here, look at this, move this over here, take this out, that kind of feedback is a lot easier to just show. And then when you're ready, you can come back here, you can stop the screen share, which then you can turn on your video. The reason I like YouTube better than Facebook Live is last time I tried Facebook Live, you could only show, you could either do an entire video with the webcam or an entire screen share. I like how YouTube allows us to flip back and forth here. So share, but there you go. That is how I capture video on my YouTube. And then here we'll stop this, and when we close that and we go back to YouTube, this is the video I just did right then, right? It's still under events, but if we come over to Video Manager, go to videos, it's loading. This is what I just did. So if I was this is live, or this is this is public. But if it's private, oh wait, I've actually got a private video. Let me go back. If you did unlisted and you want to share it, here's a video that's unlisted right here. So, so if you want to share an unlisted video, then you just go into the video and then right here, copy that out. That's the video URL. And if it's unlisted, that means anyone can access it. So there you go.